Hi everyone, I am Akshaya and I am pursuing my bachelor degree in Alpha College of Engineering. Me and my friend Aishwarya are going to present the car black box project. As we have did the internship in Emertx, they have been informed to do as a project. So here is the project explanation. So the topics which we have learned during this internships are listed here. Introduction to C language, operators and pointers and arrays, functions, strings and storage classes, and also introduction to embedded system and microcontroller. They have been taught us the difference between them and the car black box simulation. Introduction to car black box. Car black box in the vehicles is to monitor at the final moment of impact during the accident. This project is developed to record the location of the vehicle at the time of accident and determining a location information using GPS technology. Whether the car crashes, the system sends the accident alert. So the difference between the microprocessor and microcontroller. It is an integrated circuit and is capable of being programmed to perform specific tasks. It has design restrictions such as memory size, input-output capabilities, peripheral functions, etc. Choose a microcontroller based on application, performance, size, availability of tools. So here is the main difference between the microprocessor and microcontroller. Microprocessors are widely used in computer systems, whereas the microcontrollers is widely used in embedded systems. This microprocessor has only a CPU embedded to it, but it has a microcontroller has a fixed amount of RAM, ROM, and other. How to choose embedded system? So to choose, we must know it must be have a low power consumption, reliability, efficient use of memory, efficient use of processing power, cost efficiency. These are the necessary things which we need to which are required. So the requirements are for doing this project. The hardwares which we have been used are the LCD, 6 switches, potentiometer, EEPROM memory, microcontroller and RTC. The software which is required for the simulation purpose are MPLAB XLD, MPLAB XC8. So the objectives of this project are accidental info collision. It is also known as ADR, accident data recorder, event data recorder, cockpit voice recorder. It is mainly used in airplanes. Fuel oil leakage sensors, fire protection sensors, and also location mapping navigations. So the main purpose of this project is to develop a prototype of the vehicle black box system VBBS that can be installed into any vehicle all over the world. This prototype can be designed with minimum number of circuits. So it can be contributed to constructing safer vehicles, improving the treatment of crash victims. So here is the advantages of this car black box. It is a reliable device, easy to extract the data, easy to analyze the recorded data. It will not affect the privacy of driver, helpful to car manufacturer to improve the car design, help to investigation team, help to insurance company. If it is connected to GPS system, we can able to locate that as well. So here are the few disadvantages as the number of electronic circuits which we have used. If if the single piece gets damaged, the whole system gets damaged as well. So next comes the conclusion of this project. In this study, we proposed a reasonable vehicle system that uses GPS GSM module to provide real-time monitoring and information to individual users without the involvement of third parties. A black box which would log critical activities on the car and take appropriate actions in case of rash driving. The system should allow a password based access to it. So thank you, and here is the simulation process coming on it. So here are the programs which we have built here. So here is the project code which I have developed. For programming the digital keypad, as well as we have used the timers and the interrupts. We worked on a CLCD 8-bit code driver. We have did the implementation of ones and timers using timer 0 and 1 second timer using prescaler timer 0. We have done added analog to digital terminologies, and we created the login screen. Here you can see we have created the login screen. Here we have also created a main menu screen, a view log screen, and a clear log screen. So as you can see, these are the project demonstrations through simulation we have performed. So now we need to enter a password for it. Timer counter is a software designed to count the time intervals between the events. We have created a dashboard screen on which the time will appear and the events will appear, also the speed will appear. So this is the dashboard screen which we have created. We have created a password to view the log or clear the logs. So the logs is nothing but the events which are ongoing. So if you want a wrong if you put a wrong password, then it is blocked for 60 seconds, and then again you can try to put the password. You put the right password, the screen will appear. That is view log. So events created, we have created this. Finally the events can be recorded. Thank you.